Hi everyone, welcome to Real Divyne, and as you already know because you clicked on this episode, we will be reviewing ID Texture ID's Dry Hair and Scalp Relief Mask.
Let's get into this episode.
I'm also doing a review on As I Am's Restore and Repair after I'm done rinsing out this hair mask, so you guys should definitely check that out. These products literally taste, I said taste, oh my gosh, I'm not eating this, I promise I'm not eating this. These products smell so professional. It smells like you're getting hair done at the salon. Let me not get into it because you guys have to watch that video if you want to know about it or whatever. But my hair did start to dry while I was trying to like set up for this video and stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair because you know you need some type of moisture while you're deep conditioning. And let's smell this. This smells like you can eat it. I'm going to go ahead and use my clips that I got from Shein. I freaking love these. By the way, you guys, I don't remember if I said it, but
don't forget to like and subscribe and love yourself.
Don't forget that. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this mask down here. So let's just like talk about what's in this. It has eucalyptus, avocado, cocoa butter. It's supposed to help with the scalp. Let me read it real fast. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm all over the place. I'm sorry. For daily use, work a quarter-size amount of product through wet hair. Freshly shampooed, focus on the ends first. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes to rinse with warm water, followed by a cool water rinse. For weekly use, apply to wet hair. Leave in for 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, no heat required. Well, I like to use heat. Listen, I'm not gonna overdo it. I usually do, but oh my gosh. Okay, guys. So I'm getting a pepperminty smell, and I'm pretty sure that's the eucalyptus. It smells really, really good. And it looks good too. If it's for dry hair, this better like give me
lots and lots of moisture.
Because my hair is clearly dry since it's dyed. Pretty decent, and it doesn't feel dry. Because let me tell you, honey child, I've used stuff in my hair that has made it feel so brittle.
TPH.
Her after dark mask, yeah, and it felt horrible in my hair. Okay, so I got it all on my ends first like it says. Now I'm just gonna put it like closer to my roots. My scalp is starting to tingle.
I'm liking this tingly stuff out here, you guys. My hair is now up, as you guys can see.
Put this cap on, and I will be back in a little bit. And I have a good amount left. I have a good amount left. I wasn't too heavy-handed this time, you guys.
So we'll see you guys in a second.
Okay, everyone, so I just finished rinsing out the mask, and my hair feels pretty darn good, and it smells good. I still have like that tingly pepperminty smell. It doesn't feel dry at all, and when I was rinsing it out, I felt moisture was in my hair. It didn't clunk up my hair or anything, so this is a pretty good mask, you guys. I'll recommend it. I'll give it 5 stars also because it tingles, and I like it when my stuff tingles in my hair. I highly recommend you guys try this mask. Thank you so much for tuning in to Real Divyne, and my scalp is still tingling, which is great, and I really hope that it does help with the scalp relief, because you know sometimes like my scalp has been a little itchy lately, so I hope this mask definitely in the long run will help. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Real Divyne. I hope you guys have a blessed, beautiful day, because you guys are all beautiful people.